So, for my educational experiences in the river of education and all that, I just first want to reflect on what we did in class, with getting to have the opportunity to share with everyone, or the partner that was across from me. And I just wanted to say that I felt like that was very beneficial, getting to learn about their education and what influenced them and what influenced me as well, and getting to compare that and like finding out the similarities and differences between our education, pardon me there, and also the fact that freshman year for high school for two people that are completely different can be almost entirely the same. So getting on to the project, how have the experiences in your life influenced your understanding of schools and your basic philosophy of education? But before I answer this question, I'm going to go over some of my experiences that I've had that I feel have seriously shaped my view on things and just the experiences that I've had and all that kind of stuff. So when I was in like kindergarten, I think it was, kindergarten or first grade, they used to have a system, the teacher did, where you would get a daily report card sent home to parents. And my parents actually kept the papers and all that from when I was younger up until now. We still have them. Basically stating that the one thing that stuck out to me personally was that fact that there was a jump rope, and I guess playground time, playtime recess, all that kind of stuff, whatever you want to call it, was over, and instead of putting away a jump rope, I decided to throw it into a bush and head to class, I guess. I don't remember this personally, but it was written down, documented, so kind of stuff, I guess. Getting caught in the future, if you want to see it that way. But looking through those, it kind of shows me that like teachers and stuff have a tolerance, like they came in and got me and showed me to put it away and that kind of stuff, which affects like teaching a good ethic. And I feel like that's super important to have when you're trying to teach students, because if you're not going to show them what to do that's right, you're not going to get very far with the educational part of it all. And when I was in second grade, moving on into middle school here, or well, I guess second grade is still elementary school, so part of there. Moving on to second grade elementary school, there's 4 quarters in one school year. And for my first quarter, I was in Westview schooling system. I don't know if you've heard of that, but in 2007, there was a very big flood throughout the Vernon County area, and it kind of it was notorious for being super expensive for repairs and that kind of stuff. They considered it like the 100-year flood that had happened, and our basement in my house had gotten flooded out at the time, and we had found the paint on the wall had fallen off and there was mold behind it. So I had to switch to another school for the second quarter of school. And switching there, it was kind of a hard process because I knew that it wasn't going to be like a final spot where we had to move. And I didn't really take the time out of my day to make friends. And I feel like doing that, it didn't really benefit me because I didn't really care about school. I wasn't focusing. And I kind of just went with the flow, whatever I thought would be beneficial at the time. And then the second half of the year, we moved to where I now graduated. I still didn't have any hopes that was where we were going to stay. I always had a thought that we were going to go back to starting point, but that never happened. And so it took me like a year or two to get some good friends, get acquainted with myself. And then going on into my actual middle school, I believe it was 6th grade, I ended up getting into a really big fight with the teacher over nothing. The teacher was accusing me of looking at a book on my desk, and I was not looking at the book. And she was very adamant, oh, you're looking at the book, you need to put that away, kind of thing. I said, I'm not putting it away, but I wasn't looking at it. And so I put the book away, and she made a huge deal about it, and made a huge spiel, and basically was telling the class that I was not doing good in my class because I wasn't paying attention, and that wasn't really accurate either at the time. So that kind of situation, which made me not have a very good viewpoint of teachers for a while. And then going into high school my freshman year, like I was saying earlier, I failed a few classes, and I finally started bumping myself up. I started asking more questions and talking to my teachers, and that really helped me to be able to get the motivation and really see my future and like decide on what I wanted, and to use that support to build onto my what I really had in mind for myself. So going on back to the beginning, how have the experiences in your life influenced your understanding of school and your method and philosophy of education? So basically, I feel like it's influenced my understanding of school, of like basically patience, not having like teachers have to deal with a lot of stuff. Just like the educational portion of it, like it's very out there, I guess. And then for my part for the method and philosophy of education, just the fact that like I feel like each teacher has their own work like ethic, like learning and teaching system in place. More teachers are more of like a lecturer. More teachers are some like hands-on, and like others are more like read it by the book kind of thing. And even in college now, you get a lot of that, but you get more of like the tastes and mixtures of it. Where in high school and middle school and elementary school, it was like every grade was something different. Like you had to deal with that for a whole year. Where in high school, everything's kind of like starting to mix, and then the college is officially like meshed together. So yeah. How about that?